Introducing the 2026 Ford Maverick Lariat all-wheel drive. This shadow black hybrid features a 2.5-liter hybrid engine and a power-split electric continuously variable transmission. It includes a 13.2-inch liquid crystal display touchscreen, a Bang & Olufsen audio system, and a 360-degree camera. With the black appearance package and 19-inch black wheels, it looks incredible. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Are you ready to redefine what a compact pickup can do? Whether you are commuting through the heart of Abbotsford, taking a trip out to Mission, or exploring the beautiful trails of the Fraser Valley, the 2026 Maverick Lariat is your perfect companion. With a combined fuel efficiency of 6.6 liters per 100 kilometers, it is as smart as it is capable. This Maverick comes with the high-end 501A equipment group, featuring a power moonroof and a power sliding rear window to enjoy the fresh British Columbia air. The interior is built for comfort, with heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and ambient lighting to set the mood. For those looking to get work done, the 4K tow package and pickup box light-emitting diode lighting make every task easier. You also get the added convenience of a power tailgate lock, enclosed bed storage, and an acoustic laminate windshield for a quiet cabin. On the safety front, you're covered with pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and front and rear park sensors. A common question we hear is, what technology features are included to make driving more convenient? This Maverick Lariat is loaded with an 8-inch productivity screen, intelligent access with push-button start, and selectable drive modes to handle any road condition. It also features dual rear universal serial bus ports and a 13.2-inch touchscreen that keeps everything you need right at your fingertips. You'll also appreciate the easy fuel capless filler and the security of the SecuriLock anti-theft system and perimeter alarm. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.